Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to the Net Effect. I am Ashwati Krishna, your study partner to crack UGC NET. National Testing Agency has declared UGC NET 2021 exam dates. So this video is all about it. The NTA will conduct the next UGC NET exam for Junior Research Fellowship and eligibility for Assistant Professor from May 2nd onwards. Exam dates are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 14 and 17. The test will be conducted in CBT mode, that is, it will be in a computer based test mode only. Those who wants to see the details can visit the NTA website, that is www.nta.nic.in. As per the notification, online application form will be available on 2nd February. So don't worry about the date. You can apply online between the dates 2nd February to 2nd March 2021. The application fee can be paid up to 3rd March. Let's go through the UGC NET Information Bulletin. University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test December 2020 cycle. Information Bulletin is available here and the exam will be conducted in May 2021. Let's go through it. Page number 1 gives you an idea about the important information and dates at a glance. You can see the online registration and submission of application form date, that is 2nd February 2021 to 2nd March 2021, and the last date for successful transaction of examination fee is given as 3rd March. And the fee payable for UGC NET is also given here. For general category it is 1000 rupees, and for OBC non-creamy layer it's 500 rupees, and for scheduled tribes and scheduled caste it is 250. Okay. And if you have any corrections in the particulars of application form, you can correct it till 5th March. Let's check the timing of examination. First shift starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 12 p.m. and the second shift starts at 3 p.m. and ends at 6 p.m. Okay, it's a 3-hour exam and there will be no break. Details of the exam date and your shift will be given in your admit card. You can download it from the website and the details of the website is also given here. This information bulletin will give you the instructions for filling online application form. So let's check the instructions. Log on to NTA website ugcnet.nta.nic.in and click on the Apply Online button under December 2020 cycle. That is, the exam will be conducted in May 2021. Okay, then download information bulletin and replica of application form. Read those carefully to ensure your eligibility. Follow the steps given below to apply online. In the first step, register for online registration using your own email ID and mobile number. And note down system generated application number. In the step 2, complete the online application form and note down the system generated application number. Step 3. Upload legible scanned images of a recent photograph and the file size should be 10 KB to 200 KB, either in color or black and white, with 80% face without mask, and the face should be visible including ears against white background. Make sure that you took the picture against a white background, and the candidate's signature should also be uploaded and the file size should be 4 KB to 30 KB. In the step 4, pay fee using the payment gateways or payment modes of concerned banks or Paytm integrated to the online application and keep proof of fee paid. All the 4 steps can be done together or at separate timings. After successful completion of step 4, confirmation page of the application form should be downloaded and a printout of the same may be retained for future reference. The confirmation page of the online application form could be generated only after successful payment by the candidate. Let's see the pattern of examination. The test will consist of 2 papers. Both papers will consist of objective type multiple choice questions. There will be no break between papers. Questions in paper 1 intends to assess the teaching research aptitude of the candidate. It will primarily be designed to test reasoning ability, reading comprehension, divergent thinking and general awareness of the candidate. And the paper second is based on the subject selected by the candidate and will assess domain knowledge. Within 3 hours, you have to answer 150 questions. To know more about the syllabus, watch my videos on syllabus of paper 1 and syllabus of paper 2. I'll give the link in the description below. Each question carries 2 marks. For each correct response, candidate will get 2 marks. There is no negative marking for incorrect response. No marks will be given for questions unanswered or unattempted or marked for review. To answer a question, the candidate needs to choose one option as correct option. Page number 9 will give you the details on age limit and relaxation. For JRF, not more than 31 years is given. And candidates in the OBC non-creamy layer list and SC/ST candidates, third gender categories and women applicants will get 5 years of relaxation. And for assistant professor, there is no upper age limit. Candidates are advised to go through instructions given in the admit card carefully before going for the examination. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, candidates are advised to carry only the following items with them into the examination venue: admit card along with self-declaration downloaded form from the NTA website, and a simple transparent ballpoint pen, additional photograph to be pasted on attendance sheet, personal hand sanitizer, personal transparent water bottle, and an ID card. I hope this video helped you. So please go through the information bulletin carefully and fill up the form. And if you have any doubts, please do comment. I'll try to give my explanations, and have a great learning time. My son is here with me to wish you all good luck.
Wish you all the best.
If you like my video tutorials, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon